Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet flower hair clip, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make that crochet hair clip I will use a wool yarn and hook number 2.5 millimeter as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make 11 chains as shown now. I finished 11 chains. Then turn and make single crochet into next 9 stitches as shown now. Then make 3 single crochet stitches into last stitch of that round. I will make it and I'll come back. Then turn and make single crochet into next 9 stitches and make 3 single crochet stitches into last chain or last stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. I will make 2 single crochet stitches into that stitch as shown now and make single crochet stitches into next 9 stitches. I will make it and I'll come back. I will make 2 single crochet stitches into next 3 stitches of the rounding stitches as shown now. Then I will make single crochet into every stitch until I arrive to the rounding stitches. Then I will join a green yarn as shown now. Then make a chain and make single crochet into next 9 stitches. Here I will make 2 single crochet stitches into that stitch, then make single crochet into the next, and repeat that 3 times for the rounding stitches as shown now. Then make single crochet into next 9 stitches, then make 2 single crochet here into that stitch and make single crochet into the next, then repeat that 3 times as shown now for the rounding stitches, then cut our yarn and fasten off. And with the yellow yarn I will make a magic ring as shown now. Then make 5 single crochet stitches into that magic ring, then make 3 chains. I will make 4 double crochet together into that magic ring as shown now. Then make 2 chains and make step stitch into the magic ring. Then make slip stitch into the magic ring, then make 3 chains and make 4 double crochet together again. Then make 2 chains and make slip stitch into the magic ring, then repeat another. So I will make 3 chains and make 4 double crochet together into that magic ring. I will use a green yarn, then I will make a slip knot, then make 3 chains and make 3 double crochet together into first chain as shown now. Then I will make a chain and make slip stitch into the first chain and cut our yarn and fasten off. Now I finished that a crochet flower hair clip, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.